Today I'm going to be making salmon in the air fryer, and I'm going to be using Mrs. Dash right here, as my seasonization right here. So I have lemon pepper Mrs. Dash, and I also have original Mrs. Dash. But I also have Southwest Chipotle Mrs. Dash. Absolute goodness right here. So I'm going to put this on, well, I got to wash this, on my 2 pieces of salmon right here. And place this down right here. And if you like salt, I'm actually going to add salt onto this right here. I have Himalayan coarse pink salt. Going to put some Himalayan coarse pink salt. Not too much, but just enough on there. That gets the flavoration permeated. And then on one of the pieces, I'm going to add Chipotle, Southwest Chipotle, as opposed to Northwest Chipotle on there. So just put some on there like that. And take your spoon or fork and just permeate the Southwest flavoration on there. I think I'm going to put a little bit more on there because I like a lot of the Southwest flavoration on there. So I'm going to put some more of the flavoration on that. And let that permeate. And then on the other piece, I'm going to go ahead and use the lemon pepper seasonization. Sprinkle some of that on there like that. Now, once you have that on there right there, I like to let mine marinate so it can permeate the fish. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the pieces individually inside of a Ziploc bag. Now, Ziploc bag isn't necessarily necessary, but it is convenient, and you can shut it up, and everything is contained inside of the bag. All right, so I'm gonna put it in the bag right there, and then the other piece I'm gonna go ahead and put the lemon pepper. Put the lemon pepper inside. I'm actually going to put a little bit more lemon pepper on this. The lemon pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the bag. Now, once I have this in the bag, I'm going to let it permeate and marinate in the refrigerator. It's ideally to do it overnight. That way it has time for the flavoration to really saturate and permeate the fish, the salmon. But I'm going to do it for a couple hours. But I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Absolute goodness. All right, so I let them marinate inside of the refrigerator for about 6 hours. And now I'm just going to go ahead and place these inside of the air fryer, and I'm going to go ahead and fry them in the air fryer. So the first one we have right here is the lemon pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and place this inside of the air fryer pan right here. Just place that. And then we have the Southwest Chipotle as opposed to the Northwest Chipotle. And we're just going to go ahead and place this inside of the pan right there. All right, and you can make sure they have a little bit of space between each other, so they're inside of the pan like that. You can see the chipotle spread across the larger piece of the salmon, and then you have the lemon pepper on the smaller piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this inside of the air fryer. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and place this in the air fryer, and right here, I'm just going to put them in here. And once it's in there, I'm just going to go ahead and take the air fryer and do the appropriate temperature. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the air fry. And how I want to cook this, I want to have this cook this for about 12 to 14 minutes. do 14 minutes at 385 or 375. At 14 minutes, that should get it nice. And I'll just go ahead and press start. And let's see what happens. Alright, so it's done. So let's look at it right here. Coming close so you can see that. So you can see the southwest right here. And then you can also see the lemon pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and flake off a little bit of the southwest. See, it's nice. Done steam coming through it. I'm going to try a bit of it right here. Really good. Try a little bit of the lemon. Try a little bit of it right there. It's lemon pepper. Both really good.